So it's time to jump back in the garage. Got some more customizations coming, about to throw them at you. I'm about to show you some inexpensive ways to really bring out the bike. Let's jump in the garage. Now you see the 2024 Road Glide right here. Man, I'm so tired of calling her the 2024 Road Glide. We gotta pick a name. And speaking of picking a name, man, we're gonna have a contest. Guys, if you pick a name for this girl right here, I'm gonna give you out there 2 viewers. I'm gonna give one of you guys are gonna get the first one, you're gonna get a t-shirt of your choice, and the second follow-up runner-up name is gonna get a t-shirt also. The 2 names that I pick, got the sweet 330 Muscle Lab coming your way. It's gonna come directly to your door. Yes, sir. And last time we picked the name for the bike, it was for the 17 Road Glide, and it was red. And guys, we came up with a couple names that were so dope. Lava and the Lady in Red, so dope. And I gave away t-shirts, ended up being the Lady in Red. So I'm gonna reach out to you again, man. The response was overwhelming, and I know we can really set this one off and name it something cool. Man, don't be giving me names like the Blue Lagoon or the Blue Short Bus. Guys, names like, I was thinking maybe, what do you think about Bella? I think that's hot. Or Blue Tonic, or Deja Blue. Just give me some names like that, man. Get creative with it. Those t-shirts coming right to your door, man. It's on, let's get after it. All right, so the preparation is so easy, guys. I put it in some soapy water, dried it off, and I'm just gonna clean everything up, make sure all the grease is off there so that the paint can stick. I'm just gonna use this Smart Shade general purpose spray paint in that gloss black that I got from AutoZone for like $5. OHIO, welcome to Ohio. Every time I do a bike project, start pouring down raining. Let's get back to the project. All right, so one thing people don't understand when you use spray paint and you are hitting something, guys, go in the same direction. So I'm just gonna hit this, and you can see, I'm just gonna go straight from left to right, left to right, left to right, one quick coat, and I'm gonna come over here, left to right, and continue that process all the way through. All right, man, it is the next day after Geneva on the Lake. Man, we rode so hard last night, and as you see, we got caught in the rain, and my poor 24 Road Glide got filthy, so we're gonna go ahead and wash her up. Last night we got caught in a torrential downpour. It was absolutely crazy. Did get a chance to show you guys how the rain mode works, but you can see, man, she took a beat down from last night, all the way from the front end all the way back to the swing arm. You see I pulled off the bags, the seat. We're gonna get this girl together. Man, I got a tip for you. When you are washing your bike, go to Walmart, grab one of these squeegees right here. It is a sponge, and it will take the water right off. And look at those bags in the sun, looking so good. And I'm just gonna hit that, and it's gonna absorb the water off, but more importantly, it's gonna leave a great shine without any swirl marks. Don't use towels on your bike. You will get those swirl marks and it will look crazy. All right, remember, go to Walmart, grab one of these, baby. You see these bags coming out looking like straight money, man. Oh my God, let's finish this up. Alrighty, and just like that, here she is, looking so clean. You see the Big Daddy 117 up on there, but man, she cleaned up really good. I got a quick install that I'm doing. I told you guys we are going to be doing a lot of mods to the 2024 Road Glide. We got to name her, by the way, so don't forget to drop your name in the comments below. I'm going to pick the best name, the best 2, the runner-up and the winner are both going to get 330 Muscle Lab t-shirts. Let's jump into this mod real quick. I love the new Road Glide. It is badass. One of the things that I do hate is this license plate cover right here. It is big, it's bulky, and it is super ugly. We're gonna replace it. Let me swing around. We're gonna clean that up and show that beautiful paint job and that fender with this curved license plate holder with the light on it. So without further delay, man, let's just get right back into it. Knock this out. See, we are halfway there. I've already got the bracket attached and I've already wired up the lights. So we're gonna just go ahead and finish it up and we'll see how it looks in a minute. Just like that, in a flash, we are back, and look at the results right there, man. First off, you gotta see the way that the sun is hitting in them flakes off that blue burst. Now, we accomplished two things with this mod. Got rid of that bulky stock light and brought out all that beautiful paint and opened up everything and makes it look super modern. Number two, we gave it that performance bagger look. It looks mean in the rear with the pipe sticking out. So great mod. I'm gonna drop the parts in the description below and you guys can check it out. But just another great mod. More are on the way. I'll see you soon. Peace.